Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to enlarge the size of any SMS text in Google's Messages app. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Messages, and you can see here Messages by Google LLC. So this is the official Google Messages app. So if you have not installed it, then install it, and if you have already installed it, kindly update it to get the latest versions. So if you don't get in the stable version, then you can join the beta, as I'm using a beta right now. So kindly get the latest updated Google Messages app firstly, then after that just open or launch the Google Messages application. Now you can see the Messages application, right? Just tap on any SMS text. Now you can see your SMS text. So to enlarge or zoom this normal size SMS text, what you need to do, just take your two fingers and just pinch it, and just pinch it back to get back to the normal. So in this way you can enlarge the SMS text in your Android smartphone using the Google Messages application. So this is how you can enlarge the size of any SMS text in Google's Messages applications very easily. So if you never known about this new features added in the latest Google Messages applications, then definitely you should try this cool features. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.